Hey YouTube, it's a windy day. I'm in the shop. Gonna pull the transmission out of the Ariens. I'm tired of fooling with it. The piece for it cost $87. I don't have it. But I have a Craftsman transmission, hydro. Gonna throw in there. Gonna have to do a little bit of modding to it, to set it up for a Craftsman. But I think it will work. Yeah. That transmission was free. Came out of a riding lawnmower that didn't run, and I picked up for free. Well, this one was free too, but gonna go ahead and do that. Hopefully it works. Then I'll have a good rider, and I'll put it up for sale this summer. But I'll probably start out mowing grass with it for the yards I do, and then. Excuse me, and plastic. But anyway, start out with this as cutting grass, and then if I get another one, get that one ready and switch it over. That's just what I've always done. That's why I'm proud to say I've owned at least over 200 riding lawnmowers. But anyway, I'm going to start taking off the body because I think it would be a lot easier to work on with the body off. And pull that transmission out and see what I got to change. May have to change the belt. I think I got a belt for it. And see what I have to change. Okay, so here's the chassis of the Ariens. This one's a hydro, but it's like a very drive hydro. I know it's weird. This drives the actual transmission. This is the double drive pulley back here in the back. First pulley is where the belt connects. The second pulley is the belt, and when you pull the lever down, that back pulley goes up and down, and that's supposed to tighten the belt and control how fast you drive. The rear pulley itself is no good. It's $87. I can't see paying that much for a damn pulley. Now, plus, what if there's something else wrong with this thing? This is the first transmission I've ever owned that is like this, and I don't like it. It's all fiberglass, and I'm going to try to make Craftsman hydro work in it, and it's a little bit different from this is the Craftsman out here that it came off of. It's a little bit different setup, so we're going to try to make that setup on this thing over here, if it will work. I hope it will. It's a little more work, but a little bit less money. So far it's all free right now. It's just labor. Alright, I'm going to get back to it. I'm going to take the transmission off and start taking the pieces off that I don't need, and I guess put the other transmission on and see where I need to put the gear shifter lever.